When Whitehall Division of Police Sergeant Dan Wardlow and Lieutenant Brian Smith were searching a vacant apartment complex for trespassers December 11th, their body-worn video cameras were activated and recording, per division policy. Whitehall is among the 10 law enforcement agencies in Central Ohio that were using body cameras when this week surveyed 24 departments in November, and it was among the first to start doing so about 18 months ago. The city decided to lead rather than follow a growing national trend in policing, according to Deputy Chief Dan Kelso.
Looks good from up here.
Well, it is fairly nice for a woodwork place. I don't know why I would have to take my shoes off nice, but...
First one's going to be Edward Cam Victor 7251. Edward Cam Victor 7251. Break.
Hi, how are you? I'm pretty
Henry
good.
Queen Cam 3565. Henry Queen Cam 3565.
You got any ID?
No, I'm just Christmas shopping.
You're Christmas shopping? Okay.
Yes, getting stocking stuffers.
Okay. Well, can you stop for a minute?
Yes.
I need to see your ID.
I don't have one with me.
You don't have one. Well, put that down.
The store called about you.
Yeah.
I mean, the lady's been following me. All my stuff is literally dollars.
I get that, but you have to pay for all this.
I
okay?
am. I'm not even done shopping,
still.
sir.
You got all kinds of stuff crammed all up on your person here.
That's why they call
I
it.
That's
don't
why
have
they
a purse
call
on
it.
me.
Here, don't reach anything. Don't reach.
reach for anything.
Don't reach for anything. Okay. Settle down.
Okay.
You have stuff concealed on you. Okay.
You have all
And
kinds
that's
of
mine.
stuff.
I have receipts for that, honey.
Okay, well, just hang on. Okay, they're calling us, so we're going to make sure.
I'm not even done shopping, sir.
I get that, but they're telling us that you're concealing all kinds of items on yourself.
And I have receipts for that.
Okay, well, we'll see.
I have receipts for that. As you can see right there.
Ma'am,
What's
just
your
calm
What's your
down,
name,
sir.
ma'am? What?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have no ID or anything on you?
No, sir, I do
Yeah,
not.
out here, we're going to be right behind Chase Bank in that big lot. Female's going to be in a black or in a silver Honda Civic. With
Is there anything in your
possible
purse here
injury.
that doesn't belong to you?
Two things, 2 items.
Okay, and what would those items be?
Perfume.
See, now this is where we're having a problem. You take this off, okay?
Yes.
Nope, just go ahead and put your arm through there. Put your arm through it.
There you go.
There you go.
You can't be concealing stuff.
This is
Okay.
why we have a problem.
30544.
Ma'am, listen. The store doesn't want you here. It's their store. If they don't want you to buy things here, then they have a right to kick you out. They don't want you here, okay? So you're going to have to do some shopping somewhere else. Part of that has to do with concealing. Just make sure when you're in a store you don't conceal. Okay, that raises some alarms when you start putting property in your pockets and things like that, okay? So I'm sorry the store doesn't want you here shopping anymore. You're going to have to go, okay?
You got your money, you got your card. Just go ahead. The store will put all this away. I'm sure they will.
Just if you
Where am I supposed to get good
Listen.
deals like this?
well, listen. You go to another store. You can't come back to this store because they don't want you back here. Go to another
Family
store
Dollar.
and don't conceal. Don't put items in your pocket, and it's not going to raise alarm bells. That's the whole reason the police got involved. It is suspicious when people start putting jewelry and watches into their pockets that aren't paid for. It's very suspicious. That's why the police got involved, and that's why we're stopping you. Don't do that. That's a terrible idea. All right. So I would suggest maybe going to a different Family Dollar, but they don't want you here anymore. Okay. So if you got a ride from somebody in a van, have the person in the van take you to a different store. But we got to leave. We got to leave this here. Well.
Okay.
All right.
Damn it, I need that.
Well, you're gonna have to go for right now because they don't want you in here. Okay. I'll take this card up to them.
Watch this all going to fall off.
Hey,
No, just go to a different store. That's all you got to do. Go to a different store.